And, I'm attacking this head-on, attacking this decline in the stock head-on, because your co-CEO, Mr. Fernandez, says, I am pleased to say that trends continue and meaningfully accelerated in Q4 with record pipeline generation across all three regions. In other words, this is the quarter that if you're looking to see how you're going to get huge numbers in 2021, it's now. The stock is not telling you that. The stock is looking at the 10-year Treasury. Wasn't this the quarter where things accelerated?
In Q4, it did. I just say, taking a step back, the first three quarters during the pandemic were challenging.
Right.
And, the vagaries of subscription accounting models are such that that's a lag indicator. But we expect new bookings growth to accelerate this year, and that is our primary indicator in the way we run the business. So, very excited about where we're headed. And that acceleration will probably take at least a year to show up in subscription accounting numbers just because of the way the model works.
But I also look at the logos, and I think that probably, I would say one of the top 5 companies in the world is Nike. Why? Because they're most direct-to-consumer in Asia, in Europe, and United States. They're the market leader by far. There isn't really even a number 2. And you won Nike. How do you get Nike in a pandemic?
What's been interesting about the pandemic is that for companies that were in the cloud, they figured out how to thrive and adjust to the new world. For companies that weren't in the cloud, they realized that they needed the flexibility, agility, the ability to plan instantaneously. They needed those capabilities. And in many ways, for companies like Nike that are just such great market-leading companies, by the way, that's run by one of my very close friends and mentors, John Donahoe, they recognized that they needed to move this capability to the cloud. And so I think actually digital transformation will come out as a faster trend out of the pandemic.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.